My name is Kathrin Zippel and I'm an expert on gender, science and organizations. And I've written a book on gender in international research collaborations, and that is entitled Women in Global Science, Advancing Careers Through International Collaborations, that was published by Stanford University Press. I really enjoy working with fun, smart people. So collaborations for me are deeply stimulating and personally enriching. What we know is that academia is moving toward more collaborations. So for people to learn how to collaborate well is a really perfect way to enhance your professional and personal skill set.